Hello students, now it is valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. Important है, full form of VSEPR, valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. Very important for deciding the shape of molecules. Lewis dot structure we had done, but it has some limitation. Lewis dot structure, if we draw, then we do not know the shape of molecule. But this principle tells us about the shape of different molecules. What are main postulates of it? Number one is shape of molecule depend on the total electron pair present around central atom. जैसे we have BF3 and CH4. If we draw their Lewis dot structure, then we have this type of a structure for BF3. It has 3 lone pair around it, and the carbon has 4 electron pair, not lone pair, electron pair around it. So shape will be decided by the electron pair present around central atom. See, central atom is boron in BF3. It has 3 pair of electron. Carbon has 4 pair of electron around it. So shape of both the molecule will be different. So shape of molecule depends on total electron pair present around central atom, whether they are bonding or non-bonding. See, in this all are bonding electrons, but there are some molecules which are non-bonding electron also. Jैसे ammonia, 3 pair of electron is bonding and 1 is non-bonding. So all 4 electrons will decide the shape of molecule. Second point is these pair of electron repel each other. Bonding pair or lone pair or whatever be. These electron pair will repel each other because electrons are negatively charged. Suppose this boron is there, in its orbital 2 electrons are there, second orbital 2 electrons are there, third orbital electrons are present in orbital. So what this electron cloud, this electron cloud, this also electron cloud, electrons form cloud, तो जगह पे थोड़ी रहते हैं, expand होते हैं. This electron cloud will repel by this will repel by this. So electron pair, whether bonding or non-bonding, present around central atom, they will repel each other. Clouds will repel each other. Clear? As they repel each other, in order to minimize the repulsion, everybody need to minimize the repulsion because repulsion make the molecule unstable. Attraction, stability बढ़ा रहे. Repulsion थी तो molecule unstable थे जैसे. So what these lone pair or electron pair will do, they will try to remain as far as possible so that repulsion will be. Suppose we have 2 kids in class. They are always fighting with each other. What the teacher will do? Teacher will tell to stand them like this. One in this direction, another one in this direction. So they will not see each other and they will not fight. Maximum distance at 180-degree angle. If they will stand, then they will not fight. The repulsion will be minimal. So these lone pair or electron pair, bonding electron pair, what they will do? They will try to remain as far as possible from each other so that repulsion is minimal. In order to minimize the repulsion, they will localize at a particular direction, at particular angle, so that repulsion will be minimal. Maximum distance over this. Next very important point, multiple bond if there, then it is considered as single electron pair only. Suppose we have carbon dioxide, CO2. कोई पूछे आपसे how many electron pairs central atom have in this? If we draw Lewis dot structure, then it would be like this. Lewis dot structure of carbon dioxide पहले बनाया है. अब आपसे पूछे कि कार्बन के पास कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर है, तो you would tell 4. It is multiple bond, double bond है. Double bond is considered as single bond only. So how many electron pair carbon has? 2. 1. There is a multiple bond between 2 atoms. Pi bonded electrons not included in deciding the shape of molecule. We have to consider it as single bond. The last and very important, if 2 or more resonating structures are there, suppose a molecule have 2 or more resonating structure, any one will decide the shape of molecule. जैसे हमने ओजोन का बनाया था, 2 resonating structures, 1 and this is second. Any anyone will take and decide the shape of molecule. दोनों से same है. So these are the important points for VSEPR principle. What is VSEPR principle? It decides the shape of molecule. How the shape of molecule decide? It is decided by the total electron pair present around central atom, whether they are bonding or non-bonding. What these electron pair will do? They will repel each other because all are negatively charged. So in order to minimize the repulsion, they will tend to move far apart. They will tend to move apart at maximum distance so that the repulsion among them is minimum. Okay. Now, if there is a multiple bond between two atoms, then what will happen? Only single bond we have to consider for deciding the shape of molecule. And the last but not least, if a molecule has resonating structure, then any one resonating structure will explain the shape of molecule. Now we'll see the shape of molecule according to number of electron pair. First we'll take only those molecules which has bonding pair of electrons. Clear? So shape of different molecule having bonding pair of electrons. Shape of molecules, geometry of molecules having bonding pair of electrons. Bonding pair of first type of molecule is AB2. What is A? A is central atom. B is bonding pair of electron. मतलब there are two bonding pairs. What is the shape of molecule? Which is AB2 type, and it has two bonding pair of electron around A. So if A have two bonding pair around it, then what is the maximum distance for these two electron pairs so that repulsion minimum? At 180 degree. They will arrange at 180 degree angle. The shape is linear and bond angle is 180 degree. So all those molecules which is AB2 type, in which central atom has two electron pair, both are bonding, and the shape is, geometry is linear and the bond angle is 180. For example, BeCl2, beryllium chloride. It has two electron pair beryllium around it. So what is the shape of BeCl2? It is linear, bond angle is 180. Another example, RgCl2 is also linear. Okay, so if an atom, central atom has two bonding pair, shape is linear and bond angle is 180. Second type of molecule, AB3. Again, A is central atom, and around central atom there are three bonding pair of electrons. If three electron pairs are there, how they will arrange so that repulsion is minimum? What is the maximum angle formed by them? It is 120 degree. So around A, if there are three bonding pair, and if these are arranged at 120 degree angle, then the repulsion will be minimum. What is the shape now? The shape is planar triangular. What is the shape? Planar triangular. And bond angle will be 120. If the molecule is AB3 type, three bonding pair around A, no lone pair, then shape or geometry is planar triangular, bond angle is 120. Example is BF3, BCl3. They all are having shape planar triangular and their bond angle is 120. Okay? Next type. AB4. Third type of molecule, AB4. Around central atom A, there are four bonding pair of electrons. If there are four bonding pair around A, then they will arrange in the space in 3 dimension at an angle of 109 degree 28 minutes so that the repulsion is minimum. See like this. A is the central atom, 4 electron pair, 1, 2, 3, shape will be tetrahedral, bond angle would be 109 degree 28 minutes. bond angle. All the bond angle will be same. This bond angle, this will, this will. Three-dimensional shape. कैसा होता है tetrahedral? See like this. This four bonds are there. This four this. So any two will be. It is three-dimensional structure. Bond angle between any two lone pair या bond pair is 109 degree. The shape is tetrahedral. Clear? So if there are four bonding pairs, then the shape is tetrahedral. Bond angle is 109 degree, 28 degrees. Now, fourth type, AB5. If there are 5 electron pair, all are bonding around central atom A, then they will arrange such that the repulsion is minimum. 3 electron pair will be arranged at the corner of the triangle in a plane. One above the plane, one below. The shape is trigonal bipyramidal. Trigonal bipyramidal. What are the bond angle? See, this is 120 degree and this bond angle is 90 degree. So two type of bond angle AB5 molecule have 120 when they are in the plane, triangle in the plane. So bond angle is 120. See central atom here. 1, 2nd and 3rd at 120 degree. One is above the plane. The one which is above the plane will form 90 degree angle from all the base triangle sides. So the bond angle is 120 and 90. What is the example? PCl5, PF5. We have 5 electron pair around it and the shape is trigonal bipyramidal. Next, AB6. A central atom and 6 bond pair of electrons are there around A. If there are 6 bond pair, how they will arrange so that repulsion is minimum? Octahedral shape. See, 4 at the corner of square. One above the plane, one below the plane. And if you join them, the shape is octahedral. What type of shape it has? Octahedral. All the bond angles are known. Example is SF6. What is the shape of SF6? It is octahedral because 6 fluorine arranged at 6 corners. See, S is central atom. 1 fluorine, 2nd fluorine, 3rd fluorine and 4th fluorine. One above the plane, one below. So what is the shape? It is octahedral. Bond angle is 90 degree. What is the shape of PCl5? See this P, Cl. 3 Cl atoms are there. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, one above the plane, one below. ये जो above वाला होता है ना इसको axial bond बोलते हैं. कौन सा bond बोलते हैं? Axial bond. ये जो होता है इसको बोलते हैं equatorial bond. Equatorial. Axial bond is comparatively longer compared to equatorial. So if electron pair are present on axial position, repulsion will be less, and if they are present on equatorial position, the repulsion will be more. So these are geometries of different molecules: AB2, AB3, AB4, AB5, and AB6. That you have to remember the geometries when only bonding pair of electrons are present. Now we will do if non-bonding pair of electrons are also there with bonding pair, then shape will be different, geometry will be different. Why? Bonding or non-bonding दोनों present हो तो shape differ करता है. What is the reason? Because suppose a molecule has a bonding pair of electron, 3 bonding pair है और एक non-bonding pair भी present, then the shape will be different. Why it is so? What happens if there is lone pair of electron present? Then there is repulsion between electron pair. Okay, this is bonding pair of electron, this is bonding pair of electron, this is bonding pair of electron, and this is lone pair of electron. ये कौन सा pair है? Bond pair, bonding pair. ये कौन सा pair है? Lone pair. Repulsion between all the electron pairs are not same. if there is repulsion between two bond pair of electron, that repulsion will be least compared to bond pair and lone pair of electron repel, and lone pair repel maximum. रिपल्शन सेम नहीं होता है. लोन पेयर के बीच में रिपल्शन सबसे ज्यादा होगा, तो वो बहुत दूर जाएंगे. लोन पेयर बॉन्ड पेयर के बीच में रिपल्शन उससे थोड़ा कम, और टू बॉन्ड पेयर रिपेल मिनिमम. दिस इज द ऑर्डर ऑफ रिपल्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर. ऐसा नहीं है इलेक्ट्रॉन तो सब है, बॉन्ड पेयर भी इलेक्ट्रॉन है, लोन पेयर भी इलेक्ट्रॉन है, तो रिपल्शन सेम होगा. नो, टू लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन रिपेल मैक्सिमम, lone pair and bond pair repel comparatively less, and two bond pair of electrons repulsion is minimum. So the order of the repulsion is not same in all. So if there is presence of lone pair along with the bond pair in a molecule, the geometry of the molecule will change. Now how this geometry changes, that we'll discuss in next video. So the next video will discuss about the shape of molecules when around central atom there is lone pair as well as bond pair of electrons are present.